Hello guys, do you know in Wildcraft we need oxygen for animals? So yes, we need oxygen. Oh my god guys, what? We need oxygen? The first time I discovered Wildcraft animals need oxygen. Okay guys, let's try it. We need go to house first. Fast, grab cup. We need pick up at last moment, okay? Look guys, I have a cup on my mouth. Now we need find a chair. Okay, I have house here. Now we need sit here. Oh my god guys, wait what?
Oh my god bro.
Oh my god guys, what? And now we can control cup. Yes, now we need good water. Look carefully. When cup's nose comes to so close water. Look, he tries to breathe. When he go down, close mouth and again go up, open mouth. Guys, did you see that before? It means he need oxygen. Oh my god guys, oxygen in Wildcraft game. The second glitch, attack button versus cup. Yes, it's so bad, we need fix it so fast. After you grab cup, automatically leave the game. I have my friend Mountain Lion here, he helped to do steps. First we need to invite to pick up cup. Now press fast attack button. Look guys. After press attack button, 5 seconds after, your friend automatically leaves the game. Guys, really we need fix it. Okay, I'm show you what happened. Why he left the game. Okay guys, let's try it. We need first join the game and find the cup. After we join the game, we need find baby player and also we can use a small form boosters. I'm used to screen for it, after you can see well. First we need the invite to grab and the second we need press attack button. Oops, sorry. Only we need press attack button, we don't need jump. Okay, let's do it again. The big screen is my screen and my friend's screen is little one. First we need accept invite and press fast attack button. Look. Guys, look. After grab cup, my friend's mobile phone come to home screen. And after we can see cup is stuck on neck, look like this. After 5 seconds, cup automatically leaves the game. And guys, I'm trying this with so many friends. After accept invite and press attack button at the same time, cup go to home screen in his mobile phone. Okay guys, let's try with random cubs. So we need grab and yes, we need press attack button after grab. Guys, look. And few moments after he left the game. Please turbo cut game, we need fix this glitch so fast. After press same time these buttons, automatically baby players go to home screen in mobile phones. Bye bye guys.